Okay, one of the interesting I spotted at Computex 2016 would be the Game Titan T9, which is a mechanical keyboard, but it's only on one section. And as you can see from the specs here, it's good for single-handed operation, kill switch, and so on. Yep, it has RGB here, and as you plug out, there's this. As you can see, it comes with blue switch. As what they highlighted to me, it comes with a metal backplate here, and well, that's it. A simple video of this. That's the only information I have of this product. What I can tell you is this definitely looks like an interesting product, and from what I was told, you can purchase this item at JD.com. I have not browsed the site. Forgive me if the URL is wrong. Alright, that's it from me here, Brian at GoldPrice, signing off this video taken at Computex 2016 at Game Titans booth.